Copy that,
This
sir.
is an emergency.
Stay
Please
away.
send help now.
Rescue team is on the way.
Let's move. We have a confirmed sighting at Sector 4.
Crates loaded.
Ready to roll.
Let it pull you in. We need those nets deployed now. Watch the tail. Keep the pressure on the nets. Don't let it dive.
We've got it. Pull harder on the left.
Hold the head secure. I'm administering the sedative now. Make sure those nets are tight.
Keep howling. It's moving closer. Steady on the left side. Don't let it twist.
Come on, little guy.
And breathe. Clear the platform. Start the lift now.
It's moving. Keep it steady.
Bring it down slowly over the stretcher.
All right, easy now. Slow lift on the main line.
Incredible work getting them secured. Thank you all so much.
Base, this is Team Red Actual. The asset is secured and transferring to the main tank. Splashdown in 3, 2, 1.